guys, I don't normally do these type of videos, but for today's bonus video, I'll be doing a keyboard review. So some of you guys may know that I got a new keyboard. I actually had a big upgrade. I used to have just this Logitech keyboard, and now I got an eYoshi mechanical blue switch keyboard. So honestly, if I gotta say, it's a big upgrade. So I'll be reviewing it as a bonus video for you guys. So here's just a slight little look at it. So as you can see, that's one of the modes in like the eYoshi. So here's how you can change the modes. You go FN, and so you have that mode as well. That mode as well, like it was just like highlights your WASD, your arrow keys, and your escape key. And this is another mode. Honestly, it's pretty cool. Another mode. Another mode. Another mode. Another mode. This is like the only mode. Like that just stays like the keyboard light the whole time. And another cool feature about this keyboard is that it has the rainbow back strip. Let me kind of just lift the keyboard so you can see it good. It has like the rainbow like little black light strip like to reflect off of the back like that. Honestly, I personally gotta say it is really cool, in my opinion, because it just gives you a good light texture in the back. But so blue switches. The only thing I don't like about the blue switches is the keyboard sound. I mean the spacebar sound. Because you're going from this I mean, the keys are really satisfying, nice sound. But when you go to hit that space bar, you just have that disgusting sound like this. You go from this to this. That does not really sound the same. So if you have any recommendations of what I could put, like I was thinking of like maybe putting like another switch, like keeping all those blue switches, but like taking the spacebar off and then taking the blue switch out of the spacebar and putting like another switch just to make it sound good. So if you have any recommendations on what switch I could put, well then give me a heads up, or like what you think I should put in the comment section below. But that just sounds gross. So overall, besides that, the keyboard, it is actually not that bad of a keyboard. I mean, it is really good for my first mechanical keyboard, and I honestly gotta say, I really like it, not gonna lie. I'm still trying to figure out how to change the color of the keyboard, if you can. Like, it just came blue like this, so I don't know if you could change the color to like a different color. Like if there's a certain button you have to press to make it a different color. But if you know how, if you know how to make it a different color, well then please let me know ASAP, because I'm trying to figure out how to make it a different color. Like I could try every single button right now if I want. I just cannot figure out how to make it a different color. But yeah, so this is just a little keyboard review. So overall, the total keyboard, I give it a 8.5 out of 10. The reason why it's 8.5 is because of the spacebar, and I can't figure out how to change the color. If you can change the color, and if you can't change the color and you have to keep it blue, I honestly give that a thumbs down, because what if you just want to change it to a different color one day? Is there even a software I have to get? Like, I'll try to look that up right now. Oh my god. Keyboard software. Okay, yeah. So it does have a software. But if it doesn't, then I don't know what else to do. So hold on, I'm gonna see you guys back when I have the software. So no websites pop up. I did a little bit of searching. I cannot find anything. But if you
By
find
the way,
something, guys, this is not
sponsored by eYoshi.
As of now, I'm gonna give it 8.5 because of the space bar, and you can't really change the coloring if you can, like I said. But overall, that's the rate of my keyboard of the eYoshi Blue Switch mechanical gaming keyboard. But overall, it's a really good keyboard. And honestly, I really like it. And so a setup tour coming at 250 subs. That's a setup tour planned. The setup tour is planned for 250 subs. I might move it to 300. But honestly, before I end the video, guys, I want to say thank y'all for the insanely support. The support recently has been crazy. I'm at 183 subs right now. Like literally, it was just, I couldn't remember, like last month I was just at 50. So I'll show you a little something right now. My channel analyst, current subscribers 183 plus 111 in the last 28 days. Like that's just insane, guys. It's just insane. Like I cannot explain how grateful I am in words. And also, while you're here, go watch the new video. But yeah, so that's my review on the eYoshi keyboard. And see you guys in the next one. Peace. Oh my god, I almost dropped my phone. Peace.